Tired of the same old hair colours? Let's explore the fruity way to shake things up. First up, grab some ripe berries. Blueberries, blackberries and even raspberries can give you a nice reddish tint. Mash them up and mix with a little bit of conditioner, apply it to your hair and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Next, for a golden glow, use lemons and chamomile tea. Squeeze the lemon juice, brew a strong chamomile tea and mix them together. Apply it evenly and then step into the sunshine for an hour. Rinse and enjoy your sunny highlights. For the brunettes out there, try coffee or walnut shells. Brew some strong coffee or boil the walnut shells. Cool it down, apply and let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse and voila! Remember, natural dyes are gentle but might need a few applications for best results. Give it a go and flaunt those fruity locks.